Thanks for choosing Chison SonoBook9. Now we are going to give you an operation training. Press the power button here, hold it for a moment, and the keyboard will light up. You will hear it start up. First, press the patient button here to create a new patient archive. Then complete the basic information. Press OK. Press the probe button to go back. Roll the trackball to select the right probe, application, and preset, then double-click Enter. Now you can do the scanning. Let's get started in carotid to the image on screen. In B mode, 4 parameters are the most important: their gain, depth, frequency, and focus. To adjust the total gain, twist the gain button to decrease or increase. Make the image as not too bright or too dark. TGC from top to bottom, it has 8 sections. It can change the gain of different depths. Press these 2 keys to change the depths. Press these 2 keys to change the frequency. Here we have the shortcut keys. The first parameters can be changed by twisting, so you can change the focus number here. And the second line can be changed by twisting, so you can change the focus position here. Also, we have some other parameters. Press the menu button, they will show up. Press this key to exit. Here is AIO. Press this knob and it will show you the best optimized image automatically. Here we have a full screen option. Press again to go back. Across the top, there is a single screen, dual screen, and quad screen. Here, this area is for measurement. Distance for sample distance measurement. Trans can do the sample trans. Here is the complete calculation package. Press the change key to change the package. For example, this is for normal. The results can be moved. And the size can be changed. Here is the comment button. Twist the menu key to select and press the menu key to enter. We also have the quick comment. It has 6 frequently used comments. Rotate this key to select and press this key to confirm. Here is the body mark. Press the corresponding knob to put. Move the trackball to change the position of arrow. Rotate the angle knob to change the direction. Press the update key to move the body mark position. And press enter to confirm. This key is to save still image, and another key is to save movie. And they will display at below area. Press clear key to delete the wrong measurements and comments. Let's move to color mode. Interesting box color gain, PRF and WF are very important here. Press Enter key once and move the trackball. We can change the size of interesting box. Press Enter key again, it will be fixed. Rotate the gain key to adjust the color gain and reach the color gain to a reasonable level so that the blood flow will not exit the vascular vessel or disappear from the vessel. Twist this key to adjust PRF to make blood flow display appropriately. Press this key to adjust the wall filter. Get rid of some useless Doppler signals generated by the movements of internal organs. Press the menu key to open the BBC mode. Press again to turn it off. Press Exit to exit the menu. Press this button to turn the CPA function on. Press again to turn it off. Now let's go to D mode. Press key D to enter into the PW mode. Use the trackball and enter to adjust the size of sample gate. Twist the angle key to change the Doppler angle. Press Update to enter. Twist this key to change the baseline. Press triplex key to open triplex function. Press again to turn it off. Press quadplex key to open quadplex function. It will display the measurements results in real time. After changing phase array probe, I will start by doing tissue Doppler. TDI is simply done by pressing here and use the trackball to change the position, enter to change the size. Press PW button, you will get the spectrum. Now for the CW, just push down PW first. Choose the interest area with the gate, hit update, and the spectrum shows up. Then press CW button, and you can get a CW spectrum. Now going into M mode, you'll get your reference line here. Simply click Update and you will have it there. Press the menu key, you can see the free M. It has 3 simple lines. Press the Enter button to confirm. When you have done, press Exit key to exit. At this time, each sample line can be rotated to 360 degrees. Press Enter key to change it to the next sample line. It is worth mentioning that when you press C button first, then press M button later, the color M mode is active. It can show the blood flow and the cardiac movement at the same time. Now back to B mode, press the menu key. You can see the ECG function and the positions can be changed. Press the report key, the system will show us a report. We can find calculation results also showing in the report. Here we can input diagnose conclusions and add the image you have saved. Then you can preview to see what the report looks like if you want to report it. When the exam is done, you can press this key to review the images from the study. If you want to export images to the USB, first plug your disk to the system until it is recognized. Select the images or scene you want to copy. Then click this item Export. Select image formats here. Press OK. This little line here indicates that images are being exported. And now you can see it's finished. So I can hit Cancel. Press System Setting key. For the setting, you want to start on General. You have your own department, the format of patient's name, faster storage setting, and other settings. It is worth mentioning that you can change the language without restarting the system. It's very convenient. You can choose the PC printers or video printers here. These keys can be set to various functions, and you can change each function here. This is especially for the 3-button probe. You can change to freeze, depth, or still. Function configuration, there is an environmental ambient light here. If you have set it, then cover it up, it will go darker. Here you can set up custom measurements. You can add or remove them from the menu. The font size, the heart rate circles, the follicle measurements, and the units you can see here. And you can change the OB formulas here. When you search for comment, you have your comment library here. You can move them up and down, add or remove the comment. And the body marks work very much the same way. Your report. Here are the items you can add or remove to your report. And obviously, there is some custom things you can do here. For DICOM setup, it is a very complicated procedure, but on this system, it's very convenient. In general, before you do a DICOM, there are many things you must have to complete it. And you have to do the network first. All the settings about the DICOM and the network, you have to communicate with your IT persons. Preset, you can modify various things here, and you can get your own preset. Or delete the preset. You can change the configuration here. You can also export that configuration. And import into another system. In the system settings, you can see your software version, and you can export it to your disk. Print measurements is the same as the item on the lower left corner of the screen. You can add or delete printers. Here you can see all the functions of the system. That's all the training of our Chison SonoBook9. Thanks for watching. Choose the 4D probe, meet the pregnancy mode, double-click the Enter key, and do the scanning. When I get a good 2D image, press the 4D key, the interesting box shows up. Use the Enter key and Update key to adjust the size. Use the trackball to change the position. Press the Live key to enter 4D mode. Here the D, C, W, and M correspond with the X, Y, Z. When each of them is active, the curved line can be changed by twisting the menu key. When you turn it off, it means the slope can be changed by twisting the menu key. This function can greatly help you to remove the placenta and umbilical cord in front of fetal face. We also have panning angle adjustment function. Press B button to activate. Twist menu button to change. There are some interesting features. For the depth view, press this button to change a different render mode. For Virtual HD, press this knob. With a movable light resource from different directions and the advanced scan render technology, it can make the fetal's face more vivid. For the GPS function, press the arrow button, a blue point on 4D image, then use the trackball and Enter key to move the point onto the image. The blue point will move to the corresponding position. For the easy cut, press the Change key to turn the function on. Choose the method you want. Use the Enter and the trackball to cut the part you don't need. Press Undo knob to go back. Now you can get a good image here. Press the Save key to save the image or movie. Then you can see it here. That's all for the 4D training. Thanks for watching.